Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your gadgets. Today, we're diving into how to rotate screen mirroring on your TV in 2025. With smart TVs getting smarter every year, rotating your screen for the perfect view is a game changer, whether you're streaming movies, sharing photos, or giving a presentation. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your devices are set up for mirroring. You'll need a compatible smart TV from 2025 models like Samsung or LG, and a device like a smartphone or laptop. Most TVs now support wireless mirroring via apps like Google Cast or Apple AirPlay, so open that app on your device and connect to your TV. It's as easy as selecting your TV from the list. Now, onto the rotation part. Once mirroring is active, look for the display settings. On your device, go to the mirroring apps options, usually found in the top corner or settings menu. Here, you'll see a rotation or orientation toggle. For Android users, swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings and find the auto rotate option. iOS users can go to Control Center and adjust the screen orientation there. If your TV has its own settings, use the remote to navigate to the Screen or Display menu and select Rotate or Landscape Portrait mode. Pro tip: if things aren't rotating smoothly, check for software updates on both your TV and device. Sometimes, a quick restart fixes glitches. Remember, not all apps support rotation, so test with a few to see what works best. There you have it. Rotating your screen mirroring is straightforward and takes just a minute or two. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.